check it out. So here is my HCalory Diesel Heater, and I got it set up right now. Tube running inside the tent, plugged in to an external cigarette lighter that I wired to the back there. And I'm not sure if you could see, you see that red light right in there. Oh man, glare's got it, but my house battery is sitting right here. So filled it up. There's that exhaust, just dumps right over to the side. Only tool I really need is a Phillips, just to tighten that screw down. But you can hear it kind of pumping. And then running all the way to the top. So I just got the vent right here. Got warm air coming out right now. And keeps this penthouse nice and warm during the wintertime. So the only problem that I have with this setup is the hose is too long. Doesn't get crispy in there, but it gets warm. We'll get up to about 65 in the tent in about 20 to 30 degree weather. And this module right here, it's not long enough. It should be extended and put inside the tent as well, but hey, that's okay. And then the last reason why I don't like this setup is once I get everything good to go, I can't access my hatch anymore. So that's the only problem with this setup. But other than that, it's a good setup. I've had this sucker for about a year now, and I've been running it this way through rain, snow, high winds, and it just stays right on there. But other than that, I'm very happy with it, and it makes camping in the wintertime a lot better. So there it is.